OpenAI has just announced that ChatGPT is going to have advertisements live in the next couple of weeks. And I believe this is going to be one of the biggest opportunities in the next 5 years. So in this video, in less than 5 minutes, I'm going to break down everything that you need to know about ChatGPT ads, what they're going to look like, and how you as a marketer can get ahead to tap into this opportunity. Getting straight into it, I always believed that ads were inevitable. The reason being is ChatGPT has fast grown from 1 million weekly users to now over 900 million active weekly users. However, with many of these on the free tier, ChatGPT has had a massive monetization issue. In the first half of 2025, despite making 4.3 billion, they lost 7.8 billion. So they were always going to turn to the highly lucrative advertising model that other platforms with a lot of free users like Google and Meta deployed. Now, despite this opportunity, they have taken their time. Hence, with what they're rolling out is actually still a test. And the reason they're taking the time is a lot of people across the internet have raised concerns about the credibility of ChatGPT results if advertising gets brought in. Because let's be honest, we all know and love the results that ChatGPT provides. These are 2 recent searches of mine, and ads could really compromise the trust that we have in ChatGPT. Now, despite this risk, OpenAI is doing it anyway. You can see these are the 2 announcements that Sam Altman and OpenAI made on the 16th of January. There's a few key things that you need to know, but in my eyes, it was always obvious that we're going to do it, especially after hiring key execs like Fidji Simo, who's one of the lead people responsible for the monetization of the Facebook app, including rolling out video ads and carousel ads within Facebook. Now, the ads are going to be live within the next couple of weeks. So if you do want to be the first to hear about it and also explore a tool that I'm building in order to give you a competitive advantage in ChatGPT ads, head to the first link in the description to sign up to the waiting list so that you can get early access and exclusive discounts. But in terms of what the ads are actually going to look like, these are a couple of screenshots from OpenAI's announcements. And you can see that the ads are going to be pretty much like banner ads or featured product ads at the bottom of the ChatGPT result. So here, someone's added a prompt, it's given them the answer, and then below it's given them a sponsored result that's relevant to what they've asked for. So these ads are going to be highly targeted. And you can see you also can click into them and then follow up where you essentially chat with the ad. Now, I do think they're quite aggressive. You can see here it's taking up like 25-30% of the screen. But in terms of what's important to know right now is these ads are only going to be seen by people on the free and go plan. So people on the Pro, Plus, Business, Enterprise is going to stay ad free. Really importantly, and this is something that people were worried about, especially on Reddit, is that ads do not change ChatGPT answers. Furthermore, your chats aren't going to be shared with advertisers, so they're not going to be selling your data. The ads are going to be clearly labeled and they're not going to be shown on chats that contain sensitive topics. Now, something that is also interesting is users are going to see why they got an ad, dismiss it, give feedback, and also turn off the personalization. So ChatGPT really is mitigating the risk and the fallout of rolling out ads into ChatGPT. But it's going to be really interesting whether they compromise on all these different principles that they've spoken about as they try and really crank the wheel on the profits they generate from these ads. Now, something that's really important to understand with this ads rollout is how different ChatGPT ads are from Meta and Google ads. Meta ads, you're essentially paying to interrupt a user as they scroll through Facebook or Instagram. So you're essentially paying for attention. With Google ads, you are paying per click. So it was really intent driven. And ChatGPT is going to be combining the intent of Google ads with the hyper-focused targeting that you get in Meta ads into something that I think is going to provide a better ROI than most marketers have ever seen, especially given that ChatGPT is an essential tool for many professionals using it as part of their work. And even though it's not going to be in pro and business plans, the hundreds of millions of people using the free plan are going to be exposed to ads very soon. And when you combine targeting with intent, that's where you get insane profits. Now, these ads aren't rolled out quite yet. So in the meantime, I believe you should focus on ranking organically in AI search results so you can get 2 swings at the bat, both in organic and also in the advertisement, as I've done in these 2 examples here. I do have a couple of videos on my YouTube channel that you can check out. I'll add those in the description. And if you want to be the first to hear about ChatGPT ads, get a competitive advantage and access the best practices, sign up to the first link in the description where you can sign up to the waiting list of Ad Intel. And of course, if you found this video helpful, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you in the next video.